In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HTML or embed code in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the editor of your Wix website over here, and then you want to click on this plus icon to add elements here on the left of your screen. And then here, you want to click on embed code, which is over here in the middle somewhere, and you want to click on custom popular embeds, and here it says embed HTML. So of course, you can do a custom element, or you can also embed a site, video, audio, advanced, whatever you want. But if you're looking for like HTML, click on popular embeds, and where it says embed HTML, click on this plus icon to add the site, and then this will basically get added to your site, and then you can put in your code. You can basically just put in your HTTPS code only, click on apply, and then once you've done this, you've successfully put in or added your HTML into your Wix website. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.